Listening to natural birdsongs, soundscapes has significant positive effects on mental health and mood. Listening to recordings of natural sounds saw significant reduction in anxiety and paranoia. Conversely, recordings of traffic noise, including car engines, sirens, and construction, increase depressive states. The authors of the study even recommend the targeted use of natural soundscapes in clinical settings, such as hospital waiting rooms or psychiatric institutions. If you are looking for an easily accessible way to reduce anxiety, listening to an audio recording of birdsong can be a great option, they add. You can leave questions and suggestions below the video. I will answer each of them. Thank you for your likes.